Hi friends, in my earlier video you saw the assembly of the SUNNERSTA mini kitchen. So in this video I am going to show the fitting of the trap and strainer unit and also the tap, thus completing the whole kitchen unit. So come on, let's see. So this is a LILLVIKEN water strainer and water trap which we are going to fit under the sink. So this is the place where I am going to place the SUNNERSTA mini kitchen. We've already made the arrangements for the inlet and the outlet. So now I'll show fixing of this LILLVIKEN water trap and strainer, and also fixing of this KALLSJON tap. Incidentally, I would like to say that though I made the shelf on the left hand side during assembling this mini kitchen, I shifted it to the right side to suit this place, as I am planning to keep a dishwasher here on the left hand side. So this is how it's going to look after fitting in the sink. As usual, so these are the parts required: hacksaw, scissor, screwdriver and an emery paper. One person can fix it. These are already I've emptied the pack and shown already. So steps 1 to 7 is going to be fixing this part behind the sink. First I will join these three parts. You heard the click sound. Next, this part kept like this. You can see rubber here, so you can fix it to the required height. It can be adjusted by moving. So now that I have fixed it, this is how it will fit behind the sink. The extra portion, you can see here as shown here, it will be protruding inside, so that has to be, the extra portion has to be cut by placing it below the strainer portion. So this much length is extra, so I will mark this, and that has to be cut with the hacksaw. So this is where the emery paper is required. I have to clean this rough edges with this emery paper. So the fifth step is to fix this, attach it to the sink. I have to fix it with this. So this is the plastic part underneath the sink on which the strainer will fit, and this will be connected to the part which we did just now. And for that we have to remove this plastic thing here with the help of a screwdriver, and that is the sixth step as I have shown here. So I started hitting with this on the circumference, partly done. So I have removed this full piece, and this is how it looks now. So this is the seventh step. So next I have to connect the strainer and the trap. So this is how the strainer will be kept, and this will be joined here from below like this and connected with this bolt from the top, which I'll do now. So before connecting with the strainer on top, I'll fix this here. Now I have fixed it here. Now I'll connect from the top. So now the strainer is perfectly bolted with the trap bell. This trap arrangement is so designed that every part is flexible. So you can see, you can turn this in whichever direction. Wherever you want the drain to be, you can place it in that direction. Again, this also you can rotate in whichever direction and place it wherever you want. And this also, initially while you are fixing, wherever the drain is, accordingly you can, now it is fixed so I'm not turning it. But before fixing, you can place it in whichever direction you want. So if you see the arrangement in this picture, the trap has got a provision to connect the drain of a nearby appliance like a washing machine or a dishwasher. So for that, the top has to be cut as shown here, and the drain pipe has to be clamped, and one should also remember to provide a high rise like this. So there is a lid provided for this place, and in case the trap gets clogged, you can open this, clean it, and then fix this back. So this is the overflow drain. So you must be wondering what they have explained in the 9th step. Actually, this horizontal pipe here should be always horizontal or tilted upwards. It should not be tilted downwards like this, because once the water overflows, it will get accumulated if it's going to tilt downwards. This is wrong. This is how it should be. So this is a drain pipe, and the 11th step is connecting the drain pipe. So finally, the stopper for the strainer, and you're using, not using. So this is the KALLSJON Tap which we are going to fit in the SUNNERSTA mini kitchen. So I'm going to show fixing of this tap on the kitchen unit. So this is the tap, and with this, the parts I've laid down here, it's going to be connected from the bottom. So the tap will be fitted on the top, and this part will be connected at the bottom of the sink, and this will not be required. This is required only if you are going to use a hose. So as shown in the picture, I'll be fixing the tap from the top, and these will go like this. And this will come. So this is how these parts will be fitted from the bottom. Tap on the top and these from the bottom. So you can see this, this can be rotated 360 degrees, but there is an arrow mark here. So we can place this in the front. And when you don't want this obstructing, we can keep it away like this, so that this place can be used, covered and used for chopping vegetables or any other purpose. So I fixed both the top as well as the bottom. So I've got here a flexible hose. Connect one end here at the water inlet and another end below the tap. So for this you may need a spanner if needed, if you have to tighten it very much. So this completes the assembly of the whole SUNNERSTA kitchen unit. Hope you liked watching the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye from Bona. Take care and stay safe.